He said, the man never put up a column here, so one independent column. So them say,
how we column gone, brother?
This column look like, me don't know if a triangle or a egg shape or a
rectangle
or a rectangle.
But what angle upon it?
Some kind of angle upon it.
Correct.
Not even wire fence. That I when call it bag wire. Not even bag wire fence. No stay them here. And people spend their money.
Yeah, son.
So this type of work gonna give people
For them money.
for their money. Again for another day. And then another day with a healthy struggle. Look at this column, people. I wonder where the mason did that or camp down. You know, what you call them?
The lean panther.
We say the man never put up a column here, so one independent column. So them say,
How we column gone, brother?
this column look like, me don't know if a triangle or a egg shape or a
rectangle
or a rectangle.
But what angle upon it?
Some kind of angle upon it. Come on. And the blame about the power we. The blame about the power, so we have to fix it.
Call in Mr. Fix It.
We have to fix it. Yeah, we have to fix it. Because if we don't fix it, and we all get the blame because we are doing the last touch. Look at it, people. Yeah? Look at this column.
Word of advice, Mr. Carpenters. When you're not putting up columns like these, ensure that you catch the one out of the corner outlet first. And then you catch the other one out of the next end. And then you string a line and put in the middle one. You understand? You see, as when you put up these things independent, you see what happened to it? Look how the column twist gone run one corner, run one place, run one part, run so.
Far man, gone, far,
Yeah?
gone. This
And this is going to take one whole heap of dig down and flash up, fit, straighten it up back.
Correct.
All these things.
One side I column have to cut off clean
Hmm?
and try catch back the other side.
Mr. Masons and Mr. Carpenters, when you're not putting up columns, you're not try string a card line on it and straighten the column them. You understand? You know string, you know put one out of the end and one in the middle, independent. You put up the two end one and string a line and put it in the middle one them so everything correspond.
Not you when Missy man around wire fence.
30 people.
Yes, sir.
30 people let me select.
Not even wire fence. That I when call it bag wire. Not even bag wire fence. No stay them here. And people building the leper, you know. And people spend their money.
Yeah, son.
So this type of work gonna give people
For them money.
for their money. And the charge to do the work.
Peeps, actually, you no see it.
Be careful, man.
You no seeing it on camera make it look so straight. It twist gone run one place, run one part.
Hey, look, nasty, man.
No, carry the square, come and go put it on the people, let me see what I go on.
Yeah, look good at car, grandfather, man. Look good at car.
Mr. Masons and Mr. Carpenters. When you're not putting up the people, them column, you not put them up properly. You understand? When you're not putting up more than one columns, ensure that you put up the two in one and string a card line and catch the middle ones. I tell you that. You understand? No, we have to go call for Mr. Fix It.
Get it off and tap coming.
No, we have a call for Mr. Fix It. He man take all early lunch, he man take. Look, Mr. Fix It take early lunch.
Mr. Fix It take 10 o'clock lunch.
The man go for all spinach. Nerves gone.
With the danger pack.
Man, I get back in nerves. Come, fix back his column. See? The man gone for power. Power, the man gone for the strength. My nerves gone as he see it.
That's the way I'm going to do, you know?
Oh my God. Put water in it, you tight mix it. Put in it. So we have our cord line string up for the beam to catch the straightness, as you can see. So guys, look at the bend column now, guys. It's all straightened up. As you can see, we have a couple of straight edge on it. We started to flush it out, so you can see the straightness of it. So guys, Mr. Fix-It is wetting up the column. These areas are very hot, so you wanna wet the concrete to get the proper bond with the mortar so it doesn't crack or flake off. Getting the beams level up and stuff like that, peeps. So guys, if you need more of this finishing work, just drop some likes and send up some comments in the comment section. Alright, thank you for watching.